Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to make a sphere. So you can create sphere by using the tool Architects. You can go to the window menu and then click on the toolbar. Now you can active for tool architectural. So let me show the icon here. The first I will use this icon shield and then use the geometry method into the revolve. The next for construction method into the tile. Okay, I will click at this point. Now you can change into the arch with defined tangent. This icon. Okay, click at this point, and I will move to the bottom here. So to be create for the half of the circle. The next, use the strike segments, and you can click in the top here. You can sort at this point, hold, and then you can click. Now we create again to the bottom here. You can click to apply, and after it, we can set for the revolution angles into 360 degree. Click OK to apply. So to be automatically create the sphere. You also can view in the 3D, and that's it for basic Archicad tutorial how to make a sphere.